famous in workers development, staff development and management development programs. So I would like to give my best to my students because they are the real customers. So good afternoon everybody. Can I get a loud response from the students? Good afternoon everybody. Yeah, thank you. Respected. Yeah, that's the reason. I can see, but still it was the highest. You can start my first slide, to rural entrepreneurship, Bharat versus India. Okay. And then play the audio visuals after that. Okay. First slide. Good. Friends, keep this light on so that I should be visible, my body language, my expression, because for presentation, the expression plays a very important role, which Dr. Ingray can agree with his laughing personality, that yes, we need to express properly to impress. And I would like to give the best of best, which Narendra Modi also gives while presenting his speech with the audience. So, respected, dynamic, diligent director of this institute, Dr. Arun Ingray, dynamic entrepreneur, Mr. Modi, the eminent personalities like Dr. Shivare, and all the directors present, and loving teaching fraternity, and my dear loving student friends. It's my great privilege to talk on this international conference on the topic building foundation for rural entrepreneurship. Really, we talk about entrepreneurship. Dr. Shivare mentioned that instead of getting job, we need to be providing job, and that is the intention of this particular seminar, which I really salute and appreciate the organizer for conducting and putting an eye for the teaching fraternity and the students who are present here. It's really indeed a great eyesight for all of us to brainstorm and see what we really talk from the morning. Friends, when you are attending such lectures, try to abstract the things so that you can deliver when you are supposed to for the interviews or presentations whenever you are doing. Dr. Shivare talked about two important pillars, namely knowledge and skill. Yes, undoubtedly these are the two important pillars of any personality, whether he is an employer, he is a teacher or entrepreneur. But the most important third pillar which I want to add is knowledge, skill and ability. Please remember these three pillars. You will remember it as ASK: ability, skill and knowledge. If ability is there, definitely you can become an entrepreneur by using the skills that you are going to own during your MBA MCA curriculum, and of course the knowledge, solid knowledge foundation which is expected to be delivered by the teaching fraternity. And our syllabus fortunately is such that you need to have a very solid foundation of knowledge, and when the opportunity comes, you have to sort that opportunity and see to it that you hit the success. The second important part Dr. Shivare talked about was the SMART. For an entrepreneur, please remember SMART in a way I am talking about, because Mr. Modi talked about project management, which is a key, lovely thing for every business success. Every improvement activity is to be taken project by project, because success will happen if you take the activity as a project. Like getting admission into a college, deciding a post-graduation, getting into an employment or entrepreneur project, getting into a professional career project, getting into settlement into personal career is a project. Look at every activity as a project, because every project has to deliver SMART goal. The SMART goal talks about specific goal, and if the students who are sitting here, they go for an entrepreneurship, the most important SMART thing starts with specific. What am I going to deliver? What is in it for me which is going to contribute with my genetics? Like just now Mr. Pense was talking about, entrepreneurship is there in the genetic and DNA of this foundation. This is what we need to identify, my dear friend. And teachers who are sitting here, they are no more teachers today, but they are coach, they are mentor, they are facilitator for the students who are going to be an employer or entrepreneur of tomorrow. And therefore, you have to be specific in terms of SMART. The M stands for measurable. What is that you need to measure in you? How are you going to measure it? Qualitative, quantitative. And that is what will decide the success to the entrepreneur. So specific, measurable. And as Mr. Pense was talking about, my PhD in symbiosis, I am the first PhD student in India to get into the Six Sigma process excellence, where I always say, unless and until you measure, you cannot monitor. Unless and until you monitor, you cannot control. And unless and until you control, you cannot improve. And my dear friend, all these three processes, in order to improve, you need to measure. And I think today what is required for this entrepreneurship is an eye to measure. Are you getting the point? Eye to measure. And if you develop this eye during your MBA MCA curriculum program, I think 50% of your journey of success is done. Half done. And that is what teachers also need to inculcate, develop in the students' community. Very, very importantly, A stands for achievable. SMART, specific, measurable. Now, what is that possible in Nagar? What is that is achievable, possible, practical? I was delivering a session to Vice Chancellor University of Pune when the syllabus revision took place. And I said, our syllabus should be such that it should have inclusive growth. Moving from Sangamner to Sinnar to Chakan to Pune. You are traveling from village, taluka to state. What is that the syllabus should include? Very simple, desktop computing, mobile computing to cloud computing. As simple as. The entrepreneurship should be also in such a way that it should include the demographic dividend, demographic requirement. You will become successful. I think the earlier speaker talked about, so I'll skip some of the slides about statistics, but what is an entrepreneur you need to see is achievable. And therefore, you should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic. Now, what is that it goes in Nagar? You know it better than me since I am from Pune. I don't know anything about this place. So the entrepreneur should know the DNA of the soil where he is going to do a business. So it should be realistic. And when I say T, it should be a time bound. So friends, I just talked about smart things which teachers and the faculty and the students should understand when they have to become entrepreneur or of course successful in life. Just have a look to this, my audio visual. So now just look at this audio visual. I want to make this session more interesting so that, yes, start from the beginning. I hope most of your audio is चालू. So just see this audio visual and tell me why you like this audio visual or whether you like. Switch off this light now for time being. Audio please. Then only you start. Okay, now this is a particular film which you all have seen. But I just wanted to know from the students why you like this film. I hope you would have seen this film. Have you seen this film? Have you seen this advertisement? Yes. Okay, most of them have seen. So right from the beginning, just put stop and then start from the beginning. Yeah, it's good. No. Sound should be highest. Okay, I think make a last attempt. This is a particular film where you can see entrepreneurship, and that's why I'm showing you this film. So many products are going to come from village. Now see the customer delight. I'm not talking about customer satisfaction. When you are doing entrepreneurship, what you need to capture here, for an entrepreneur and to be successful, you look at the vision, what way my customer is going to get delighted. This should be your goal. I think I talked about SMART goals. The first goal of yours should be, you should see that your customer gets delighted. Scoping to this discussion, when we talk about India's rural population, 2/3 contributing to less than 1/4 of the national income. Lot of scope. It is all related to all other countries. I am not restricting this discussion to India since this is an international conference. I am saying that this is a very interesting case that from demographic, from rural areas, you have every opportunity to go for a business and hit the GDP which is required, which I think everybody talked about that GDP contribution. So I will not go over that. What is that you are supposed to do? If you have seen this Amazon.org or Amazon.com, the biggest success of this Flipkart and on this is the customer reach out and customer delight. If you see this advertisement, even the gift, the beloved one to whom you are giving the gift, the person rejects it, it will be returned back without any expenses. Can you see this entrepreneurship as a different unique service or a unique selling proposition of this advertisement, which was very interesting to all the audience who were watching the video. Even my mother, even at my home, I generally interview, take that market test or test research what we do. What do you like? My mother is 81 years old. I asked her, do you like this film? She said, yes, it's very good. I said, why do you like this? She said, the joy, the expression, what impressed me is the satisfaction. And see, if a woman who is 81 years old can understand the business in terms of satisfaction, you young guys, you need to understand why behind this delight and success. And that will be the success of an entrepreneurship. Quickly go through this presentation. Yes, so we have got a lot of household. For an entrepreneur, one very important, can you see sir, this? Yes, sir. Okay. So what is that change which is happening from rural area even? There is a shift from lower middle class segment to the higher middle class segment. And this is happening to all other countries as well when they are progressing. Now what is that entrepreneur should look at here is, during this transition, what is that the requirement of the customer? Like if you know Big Bazaar is there, popular in India. Now what Kishore Biyani is going to do? Kishore Biyani has said that all Big Bazaar will be converted into micro bazaar, which will go to villages, talukas, districts and all the places. So there will be a network. My dear friend, this is a wonderful opportunity for the rural entrepreneurship to take the ownership, like micro Big Bazaar as well as the e-services what I have shown in the film. Yes, next slide please. Now I will give the different success stories which Dr. Shivare has also talked about, but these can be replicated in all other areas. This is the example. Can we make the difference? I think this is a very good theme of this conference, that technology and ICT, can it make a difference? Basically the example of audiovisual that I talked about was the example of e-commerce, right? Which was very nicely broadcasted during the World Cup matches, cricket matches, where the TRP rating was very high in the programs, and the Flipkart and Amazon.com reached from masses to classes and classes to masses once again. That was the success story. So these are some of the success stories where the medical remote eye care with Aravind Hospital, which is very popularly going on in South. Next slide please. So can we make the difference? Yes, there is a strategy, and that's what I wanted to make it aware to this community, that there is a comprehensive rural development strategy where ICT can play a massive important role. Now we have seen internet user, iPad user, mobile users and all these users. Now what is that entrepreneur should do? Entrepreneur should convert this business application idea into practice, making use of ICT, right? I think most of the time people are talking effective, efficiency. I will like to add effectiveness, efficiency and economy. Your business will work effectively when you do right things. Efficiently when you are doing things rightly. And when you are doing things rightly and right things, you will get economy. The result where Modi and Shah community is popular and successful. We have to understand why they are successful, because every day गल्ला भरलाय की नाही बघतात तर दुसऱ्या दिवशी दुकान उघडतात आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशी दुकान उघडण्यापूर्वी बघतात गल्ला का नाही भरला, कमी का भरला. बरोबर आहे ना मोदी? यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड मराठी? Actually, I was expecting that you cannot understand Marathi, but you are understanding.
Business or I can understand Marathi.
Oh wow! Fine. Okay. Jokes apart, salute to the committee for making it happen. And my dear friend, entrepreneurs, MBMCs are supposed to make it happen, and you are supposed to do that. That's why this is very important. Government of India's NEG plan. I think you all should go through this plan where they are saying that one-stop shop, integrated service delivery, ensuring efficiency, transparency and reliability is what the new government is going to do. And there are a lot of opportunities for entrepreneurs from villages like Nagar. They are bound to be there because they will be connected to this. Yes, go through the presentation fast. I know it's time up. So, we need to have a network of service point which is possible with technology. I am not going to spend more time because everybody should know FaceTime to complete this. So this is what you are supposed to do. I just go to these core policies where networks are possible. Chief Minister is going to handle this, and yes, I think Devendra Fadnavis should definitely, because this is the central government plan. Then for the villages, what are the applications? Just back. Just go to this, pensions, banking, passport visa, income tax, insurance and central excise can be paid online, where entrepreneurs can play an important role. Next, road transport, land records. These are the applications which I am going to show in the next slide. Next slide please. So there becomes a rural citizen now. See, we are talking about inclusive growth. How rural person becomes citizen? When he is getting all these certificates. Now I'll just give you more attention on this green part, issue of certificates and licenses. We are doing a project from University of Pune on organic farm products. Our MBA students are doing a project, शेतकऱ्यांच्या मळ्यातून ग्राहकाच्या थाळी. It's a very peculiar project where we got a sanction of 2 lakhs rupees, where recently we had been audited, and I had been to farmers and customers where we are identifying, making the program of wellness. I am working 18 hours a day. Why? I don't know whether Pensy was having my background, but I work 18 hours a day with full energy, whether it is a morning session or 9:30 session. I am with the same zeal and confidence. That why? Because I am paying attention to my wellness. This is what is the need of today's situation, that everybody should be well mentally and physically, where this is going to be tomorrow's entrepreneurs, where you can do lot of areas of organic farm products, agriculture products, which Nagar people can definitely do. The areas where you can grow those things very well. Some of the demonstrated opportunities I wanted to say, like Akshaya in Kerala, I think just now Dr. Shivare talked about, where they have converted subtitles on TV. You can see all of them. This is a very quick entrepreneurship. That in health, this webhealthcenter.com at Sri Lanka. In economic, e-Chaupal. I am going to talk more on e-Chaupal because e-Chaupal can be applied with every rural area. They become an entrepreneur. Like just now, Dr. Shivare talked about Lasanga Onion. This is a e-Chaupal example. Tara Hat, actually N-Log. Then e-Krishi Vipanan and Bhumi. I think the e-government principle that he was talking about. E-Seva, Drishti, and very importantly, computerized meal collection at Lokavani Sitapur and Lokomitra at next slide. So, these are possible and successful. These are all the symbols which, if you can go through the net, you will definitely find that this Tarahat, Akshaya and Bhumi, they are all working very nicely in all the states. So I think let us begin this from Maharashtra today, starting with the outcome of this seminar that the students should take out. Because one of my students who is doing this project of organic farm products, he has already said, I am not going to do a job, I am going to do a very good important distributorship of organic farm products called Organic Bazaar. Like Big Bazaar, he is going to have organic bazaar, and I have already felicitated him recently once the very big program at our place once I met. So some of the Swaminathan Foundation, Southern India, these are the success stories. Just please enter. That village knowledge centers are available. That means you don't have to do, just replicate the success stories, right? And these are the areas where, please enter all this. Use of solar power energy, women helping the rural, like I think you all know Kanishka group. I think in Pune Kanishka group is very popular among women where they become entrepreneur and they do business. Similarly, in all other rural areas where there is a possibility, you can do a lot of. So now plans rolled out for 2013. Next slide. So, next slide. You can have very important, like CSC, he was talking about corporate social responsibility. There can be corporate social centers where people can do entrepreneurship. Where computer like B2C, sale of agri products, IT training, railway tickets, DTP service, digital photography. I am telling the application of where entrepreneurship can be possible. So far so good? Are you sleeping? Are you awake? Who is sleeping? Raise the hand. Good, you understood the joke. Fine. Okay, so CSC is one of the very important thing. Certification, online application and mandi rates. I think the last example which you was giving, that by having, and you can become an entrepreneur in this. Next slide. I think I have so many slides but less time, so I will squeeze my presentation. Now here is the very important thing. Where an entrepreneur can come. Entrepreneur can come when you overcome these challenges. My dear friend, those students who are sitting here, faculties also, those who can overcome these challenges, they will become successful entrepreneurs. And that's the crux of my session, where low levels of educational attainment at rural populace, lack of awareness of ICT advancement, here awareness opportunity is there, entrepreneurship opportunity is there, poor socio-economic status difference, then in an implicit lack of understanding of PPP framework, which is going to come up very widely. I hope all of you know PPP. Lack of appreciation of alternative viable livelihood opportunities. I'll just like to give you the opportunity which I am going to. My son is studying in US for MS in computer engineering. I think last 4 days before, I was doing video conferencing with iPad, and all of a sudden the iPad battery gone down, and he's also on iPhone, and I was working with iPad, and all of a sudden the communication stopped. My daughter is very smart. She said, "Baba, open your laptop. We have Skype. We can have immediately Skype working." Due to MSCB failure, again there was a net problem. I immediately opened Viber. Now what I am saying that, if at all I am having an opportunity to talk in a second to my son who is far distance in US, so many opportunities are there, we are not opening our eyes. My dear friend, we all, academic community, should open ourselves to see that these opportunities we lose. Last point, lack of exposure to innovative practices and technological illiteracy. I just wanted to say an example that if I was not unable to operate FaceTime, I was not able to operate Spider, I was not in a position to operate all these gadgets, I would have been zero with my son. Baba, तुम्हारा एवढंच करता येत नाही. You cannot operate a computer, you cannot operate 2G or 3G network. Why you have to do? You have to do this. And for an entrepreneur, you have to be open with this. Yes. So evolution plan, achieving the service pyramid. That's the second last slide. Go next slide. This is the most important. I think Dr. Ingray loves the pyramid word, and he is more frequently using the word pyramid. So I have inserted this slide yesterday night. That how aiming the service pyramid of business can be included. Yes. Very importantly, there are entrepreneurs who can go for the save cost project. Which are those? E-government services and utility services. I'll give an example of farmer and close down. I know it's already 10 minutes, I can speak more. Fine. Then for income opportunities, e-commerce and online marketplace and market linkages. Market bazaar. You know, you saw that, you know, radio FM is also getting popular. Why? Because you can give traffic update, income update, Bombay Stock Exchange update, you can become mini broker in village. That is a wonderful opportunity that you can catch. Very importantly, social development. Yes, we talk about education, healthcare, agriculture extension example. There are so many things which can be talked about. And very importantly, yes, Mr. Pent said that quality plays a very important role. And yes, when defending my PhD thesis, I said quality starts with thinking. Quality is not standard. Quality is not dimension. Quality is not color. Quality is not texture. Quality is how you receive and perceive the customer is looking at your product and services. And you can be successful as an entrepreneur if you do the entertainment and community radio. This is the example. Shah Rukh Khan and Farah Khan, the bogus combination with the new Happy New Year film. But still, they got 100 crore. Why? Because pampering and brand. My dear friend, I am not expecting you to become a bad entrepreneur, but see, they are successful entrepreneur. So what is required in quality of life? Do entertainment and community radio is going to be another entrepreneurship avenues where even the students like event management can think of. Lastly, building livelihoods. I think this is where all faculties of MBAs and MCA should take their students into ride is data collection and rural BPOs. Recently, I delivered a lecture how to write research paper to fresh MBA students on our library day function. I just took time, Maharashtra Times. Sorry, I'm using Marathi because that paper is in Marathi. Should open ourselves to see that these opportunities we lose. Last point, lack of exposure to innovative practices and technological illiteracy. I just wanted to say an example that if I was not unable to operate FaceTime, I was not able to operate Spider, I was not in a position to operate all these gadgets, I would have been zero with my son. Baba, तुम्हाला एवढंच करता येत नाही. You cannot operate a computer, you cannot operate 2G or 3G network. Why you have to do? You have to do this. And for an entrepreneur, you have to be open with this. Yes. So evolution plan, achieving the service pyramid is, that's the second last slide. Go next slide. This is the most important. I think Dr. Ingray loves the pyramid word, and he is more frequently using the word pyramid. So I have inserted this slide yesterday night. That how aiming the service pyramid of business can be included. Yes. Very importantly, there are entrepreneurs who can go for the save cost project. Which are those? E-government services and utility services. I'll give an example of farmer and close down. I know it's already 10 minutes, I can speak more. Fine. Then for income opportunities, e-commerce and online marketplace and market linkages. Market bazaar. You know, you saw that, you know, radio FM is also getting popular. Why? Because you can give traffic update, income update, Bombay Stock Exchange update. You can become mini broker in village. That is a wonderful opportunity that you can catch. Very importantly, social development. Yes, we talk about education, healthcare, agriculture extension example. There are so many things which can be talked about. And very importantly, yes, Mr. Pent said that quality plays a very important role. And yes, when defending my PhD thesis, I said quality starts with thinking. Quality is not standard. Quality is not dimension. Quality is not color, quality is not texture. Quality is how you receive and perceive the customer is looking at your product and services. And you can be successful as an entrepreneur if you do the entertainment and community radio. This is the example. Shah Rukh Khan and Farah Khan, the bogus combination with the new Happy New Year film. But still, they got 100 crore. Why? Because pampering and brand. My dear friend, I am not expecting you to become a bad entrepreneur, but see, they are successful entrepreneur. So what is required in quality of life? Do entertainment and community radio is going to be another entrepreneurship avenues where even the students like event management can think of. Lastly, building livelihoods. I think this is where all faculties of MBAs and MCA should take their students into ride is data collection and rural BPOs. Recently I delivered a lecture how to write research paper to fresh MBA students on our library day function. I just took Maharashtra Times. Sorry, I'm using Marathi because that paper is in Marathi for the converting that topic. What is the use of the social media to select their preferred partner? Now, what is the outcome? In marriage classified bureau, you can have an entrepreneur from village or a city where he can use and assimilate these matchmaking pairs to select the right candidate and right male-female pair. I think there are plenty of opportunity because this is one of the biggest problems coming to the community of getting the right candidate. This is what is required, like getting right employee is a big problem. So even I tell my marketing student, you use digital marketing. Get connected with blogs. Have your own face page. Deliver that. Connect it with network. This is where you can be successful entrepreneurs, of course, as a marketing candidate. For HR, you can do what are the best practices for selecting the right candidate with right qualification, knowledge, skill, ability once again. Have a filter in your software where you can streamline and screen number of bioretards in quickly, like Microsoft scans 2 lakhs bioretards in 1 hour. 2 lakhs soft CVs are scanned in 1 hour by Microsoft. This is how the placement activity takes place. Similarly, for finance students, yes, they can become certification in banking, portfolio management, where they can become an entrepreneur for investment management. So, can you see, if you collect this data, even for rural BPOs, you can play an important role as an entrepreneur where you can be showing this success story. And let's go back to the next slide, please, fast. Next. So there are, this is the example, this is VLE stands for Village Leader Entrepreneur, right? So the scope of this program is this. So market information and price information, this he can give through mobile and he can have linkage facilitation. Next slide. Next is knowledge, one by one. Knowledge. He can have extension services, facilitation of alternative farming. I was there in my vegetable market 2 days before, and he said, "Sir, ask to me, don't purchase any vegetables today because of the season change. There is no fresh vegetable. Don't purchase it today." Generally, he delivers on every Sunday vegetables to my place. But I think we had been out of station, so we were not there last Sunday, so we could not have it. But then I went in between to purchase vegetables. He said, "Don't purchase today because of season change. There are no fresh vegetables." See, he was telling me the truth. And he said, due to this, I think what we call it as Avkali Paus, it is because of this rain, the fresh vegetables are not there in Pune Chinswad area. That's what he was telling me. Now, what is that farmer can use? If this is the forecast he can do, proactively he can do the farming. I think this is where the entrepreneurship can come. Then input facilitation, seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, farm machinery, soil testing is one of the area where entrepreneurship can be done. Next slide. Irrigation facilitation, like drip irrigation, there are so many areas where you can utilize effectively, efficiently, economically the water shortage which is there in the village places. Credit facilitation, yes, banking, finance students can do that entrepreneurship. Next. Harvest, transport of produce facilitation. See, this is supply chain. Recently, I was instrumental in adding supply chain management in the operational strategy, one of the very important specialization, because there is a dire need of supply chain management today. And I am very happy to tell you, Ingres sir, you promote students for supply chain management. 5 students who have done their project in one of the big company, all of them they have got a pre-placement offer because they were working for the airport delivery from farm. And they have identified the non-value added elements in the transportation in supply chain management. All the 5 students, they got a final placement offer. Why? Because they corrected the mechanism which was not there, and supply chain we are not equipped right now. We have technology, we have people, but there is no right process to drive this technology, where entrepreneurship can play an important role. Next. Yes, production risk coverage and price risk coverage. This is the area where profitability plays a very important role, where the entrepreneurship can be there. I think I just skip all the slides. These are the success stories in Tamil Nadu. Just go to next slide. I was talking about this ITC's e-Chowpar, where this is very much popular in all the villages. Next slide. Where this internet kiosk, I think Sanchalak, the trained farmer, with walking distance of target farmers, wonderful things they are doing and they are making money. So money is distributed. It is not only the in between Dalal Marathi Medium, the distributor who was taking money. Now farmers are getting equipped. Now you an entrepreneur, if you do a business with them, I think you can also make money and become an entrepreneur. One of the example of N-Launch, the example with technology, which is there in Tamil Nadu. The spray recommended by the Agriculture College. See, the earlier, you can see before treatment, there were yellow patches. Can you see the lady finger there on the left hand side? And after treatment, the yellowness is going down, and the cost of information was 20 rupees and the saving was 1,40,000 rupees. This is where people in the rural areas can do dramatic things. Just take a mobile, take a photograph, this is a problem, go to the center, take the solution and do that. I have done one more BCUD project through University of Pune, where creating a demand chain of coconut products. I visited once in Konkan area where I was intimated to do a project with the coconut products which are there, and it was a very good success story. 2 of my students are doing business in the Konkan area. Success again comes to this. Similarly, the N-Launch example of telemedicine, as you all know, with telemedicine you can do business, and this is what the things which are coming up. Yes, last slide. You have to see the people at the core. You have to see the technology at the base. I think technology is the cutting edge for today's world. If you use technology, you become effective and efficient. Very importantly, if you train people, you become economic. But very importantly, this has to be done again and again. This is called continuous improvement, where you can see innovation process will play an important role, and buzzword which you people are having that eyesight. You have young mind, there you can think out of box, and with the conceptual learning what it takes place with MBA MCA stream, I think you will do wonder in future to enable the creativity, partnership and capacity. So the last part, e-learning, where you can play a wonder with, again, since e-learning is coming with academics. Yes, e-learning is a buzzword where the teachers, the directors, dynamic directors like Dr. Ingre can definitely do wonder in the places like Nagar, where the type of soil, type of products, type of the nature and everything can be done to make it successful. There are knowledge banks, there are online courses. Next slide please, where you can do e-learning flow. This is a business model which is very successful in outside India. I think just go to the last slide. This is a Bangladesh network for those people from Bangladesh, how they use this communication network using amateur radio, community radio. Then in Ghana, the same. These are all rural India examples I have spotted through internet, where digital village concept is in collaboration with the university. They have successful. They have hub in university with spoke in villages. Next slide, please. So there are examples, videos which I can share. I think let's go to the next slide, please. So there are so many business models which are successful. Very importantly, as I said, the village leader entrepreneur business model works with these services. And next slide. You will be successful in return if you do revenue share with fixed monthly service charges from the leadership. I think rural entrepreneurship was the theme of today's discussion. I think you all can become a rural entrepreneur, which is someone who is prepared to stay in the rural area and contribute to the creation of local wealth. Now this is very important. Since you will say, "Arey, tumhe Punehun aala ka ithe bolta hai, kya upyog hai?" I don't have place. Okay, my birthplace is Nagar, but I don't have my own property here. But point is that yes, people who belong to the local community develop the local wealth. Definitely you become rural entrepreneur, which is today's deliberate innovative discussion. Thank you, Dr. Ingre, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Just go back to the last slide. Go to the last slide. I think I have done most of the things. There are some centers where this slide. There are the centers where you can definitely become successful if you really reach out to the people, where the things are really required. Friends, my successful mantra of every business, whether it is to the rural, local or global, you need to see the combination of 3H. When you want to be successful as an entrepreneur, you should use your head very, very importantly. Second, you should know what you know, and that is heart. Right? So, you know how to use head. You have to listen what your heart says. And if you combine this head and heart with hand, action, you become more successful. Right? So use head, understand what heart says, and act with hand. Damn it, you will be the real successful entrepreneur of 21st century. Once again, I thank Dr. Arun Ingre and his team for conducting such fabulous professional international workshop, calling me here on this occasion for the discussion of rural entrepreneurship. I really love to interact with the faculties and students. One last announcement with your permission. I have got very important seminar on 14th and 15th where Dr. Arun and his faculty members are going to come, where I am going to explore the teaching learning practices which will enhance learning very importantly, which is the time need of professional education. So once again, thank you very much for listening. Thank you for interaction and thank you for patient listening. Once again, all the best.